What's up, MetaVerse update crew? Get ready for a rapid-fire update that's going to blow your minds. First up, we're diving deep into D-Wave Quantum and a stock that's seen a massive surge, but what's really going on behind the scenes? Next, we're shifting gears to WiMi Hologram Cloud and their groundbreaking work in quantum machine learning, exploring how they're using quantum tech to supercharge privacy protection. This could change everything. Then, buckle up as we look at Rigetti Computing, who just landed a massive contract to build the future of superconducting quantum networking with the Air Force Research Laboratory. This is a game changer for how we connect in the quantum realm. And finally, we've got Quantum Computing Inc., making waves with a fresh buy rating and a strategic position in the market that has analysts buzzing. All that and more, right here on MetaVerse Update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. D-Wave Quantum stock, is it headed for a fall? After an astonishing 2,200% surge over the past year, D-Wave Quantum stock, QBTS, is facing intense scrutiny. The meteoric rise has been fueled by a potent mix of general enthusiasm for quantum computing and the broader AI investment narrative, despite fundamental differences between the technologies. Strategic moves like partnerships and hosting major conferences have kept investor interest high. However, a closer look reveals a stark contrast between the hype and reality. D-Wave operates on a relatively small revenue base of $22 million and is burning through cash, with significant negative net income and operating cash flow margins. While quantum computing holds immense future potential, practical applications remain years away. The company's stock experienced a dramatic 97% drop in 2022 during a market downturn, plummeting from $12 to 40 cents. This historical volatility highlights the speculative nature of quantum stocks, which are often valued based on future expectations rather than current financial performance. The market is now debating the true downside risk for QBTS stock from its current price. Given past performance and the company's financial fundamentals, still years from broad commercialization and heavily reliant on future growth, some analysts suggest the stock could fall below $1. This isn't fear-mongering, but a reflection of the inherent risks in betting on nascent technologies with significant cash burn. Public reaction is divided, with some investors drawn to the potential upside, while others are wary of the volatility. Analysts are closely watching D-Wave's ability to execute its strategy and manage its cash burn while navigating intense competition from larger tech players. The core question remains: are investors buying a stake in a profitable company or making a high-stakes wager on the future viability and timely commercialization of quantum computing? Prepare to be shocked by the next development in quantum privacy. We're talking about WiMi Hologram Cloud and their revolutionary approach to safeguarding data. WiMi Hologram Cloud, quantum leap for data privacy. WiMi Hologram Cloud is making waves with a groundbreaking development in quantum machine learning, aiming to revolutionize privacy protection. They've announced a hybrid quantum classical model that ingeniously merges the raw power of quantum computing with the steadfast stability of classical systems, all while employing advanced differential privacy optimization algorithms. This innovative framework features a dedicated quantum layer for complex feature extraction and data transformations, leveraging quantum phenomena for speed and efficiency. Complementing this is a classical layer that implements robust differential privacy. This is achieved through techniques like adding carefully calibrated Laplace or Gaussian noise, ensuring that individual data points are obscured without sacrificing the overall model's utility. Currently, due to the nascent stage of quantum hardware, the model is undergoing rigorous testing via simulations on classical computers. The implications are massive, especially for sensitive data applications. WiMi's approach promises to significantly strengthen privacy protection, making it a crucial development for sectors like medical data analysis and financial risk assessment, where data security is paramount. The goal is to enhance privacy without compromising the performance and accuracy of machine learning models. Industry watchers are keenly observing this development, with many seeing it as a significant step towards practical quantum applications. The potential to protect sensitive information while unlocking new insights from complex datasets is a major draw. The challenge, as always with quantum technology, lies in scaling and real-world implementation, but the theoretical framework and initial testing show immense promise. From protecting data to building the quantum internet, the next story is all about connection. Get ready for Rigetti Computing's major network advancement. Rigetti Computing, building the quantum internet backbone. Rigetti Computing is set to accelerate the future of quantum communication, having secured a substantial $5.8 million contract from the Air Force Research Laboratory, AFRL. This significant funding will fuel advancements in superconducting quantum networking, a critical step towards a secure quantum internet. Rigetti is joining forces with QBTS, a Dutch startup renowned for its expertise in quantum transduction technology. The core challenge this collaboration aims to tackle is the conversion of microwave signals from superconducting qubits into optical photons. This conversion is essential for transmitting quantum information over long distances, much like how optical fibers form the backbone of our current internet. By successfully creating systems that can entangle superconducting qubits with optical photons, Rigetti and QBTS are laying the groundwork for distributed quantum computing and a truly secure quantum network. This project builds on their previous success in demonstrating qubit transducer systems for optical readout. This initiative is particularly vital for national security, as advanced quantum networking capabilities could provide unprecedented security for sensitive communications and computing tasks for the Air Force and Department of Defense. The partnership leverages Rigetti's extensive experience in designing and operating superconducting quantum computers with QBTS's cutting-edge frequency conversion systems. AFRL's involvement underscores the strategic importance of this research for maintaining U.S. leadership in quantum information science. Analysts and industry experts are hailing this contract as a major milestone. The potential for quantum networks to enable larger, more powerful quantum computing systems by linking smaller processors together is immense. The ability to transfer quantum states over long distances at room temperature via optical interconnects represents a paradigm shift. The collaboration's success could pave the way for widespread adoption of quantum networking technologies. And finally, a major endorsement for a company poised to capitalize on the quantum revolution. We're talking about Quantum Computing Inc. and why Wall Street is bullish. Quantum Computing Inc. earns major buy rating. Quantum Computing Inc. QCI is generating significant buzz on Wall Street, highlighted by a new buy rating initiated by Max Michaelis, an analyst at Lake Street. This positive outlook is rooted in QCI's strategic positioning and technological advancements in the rapidly evolving quantum computing landscape. QCI is recognized for its first-mover advantage, particularly in the critical field of photonics and thin-film lithium niobate (TFLN) technology, which is expected to play a pivotal role in future semiconductor manufacturing. Bolstering this advantage is the company's U.S.-based foundry, strategically positioned to address supply chain constraints and meet the surging demand from sectors like telecommunications and data communications. Furthermore, QCI's comprehensive approach, encompassing the development of proprietary photonic chips and advanced quantum computing solutions, sets a strong foundation for future growth. Key milestones include the recent completion of their quantum photonic chip foundry and the launch of their Dirac 3 entropy quantum computer, both anticipated to drive substantial revenue. The analysts' confidence is further supported by QCI's efforts to construct a complete quantum computing product ecosystem. This holistic strategy aims to capture value across multiple facets of the quantum technology stack. Despite some insider selling activity in the past quarter, the overall sentiment from analysts like Michaelis points towards strong long-term growth prospects, justifying the buy rating and a price target of $24. This endorsement has energized the investment community, with many seeing QCI as a key player poised to benefit from the increasing adoption of quantum technologies. The combination of unique technological capabilities, strategic manufacturing presence, and a clear vision for a quantum ecosystem positions QCI as an attractive investment in a market primed for disruption. That's all the quantum news you need to stay ahead. But don't go anywhere, we've got a quick recap and a massive call to action coming right up. And that's a wrap on today's quantum explosion. We saw D-Wave Quantum's stock facing serious questions, WiMi Hologram Cloud pioneering quantum privacy, Rigetti Computing building the bridges for a quantum internet, and Quantum Computing Inc. earning a major buy rating. You've got the intel, now make your move. Smash that like button, subscribe to MetaVerse Update for your daily dose of the future, ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat, and drop a comment below telling us which of these quantum leaps has you most excited. Follow us on all social platforms to stay connected. See you next time.